Welcome to part 13 of Vegas Pro Essentials. Another type of effect you'll use frequently is cropping. This is when you cut out and isolate a portion of an image. Let's look at a scenario of using the crop effect, but we'll also use it in tandem with the picture-in-picture effect. So once again, I have layered one video event over another using the video tracks. You can toggle the mute button on the top track to see the event below. If you want to know how to do this, please watch the lesson on layering video. Now let's blend the close-up with the long shot at the same time. We'll start off by cropping the close-up. Go to the Video Effects tab and locate the crop effect. Drag the default preset onto the top event in the timeline. In the video preview, the crop box will appear. My recommendation is to zoom out of the window with the middle mouse wheel to clearly see the cropping region. To crop the left and right sides of the close-up, drag the cropping controls in the video preview. You can also fine-tune the crop with the Video Event Effects controls if required. To move the cropping box, simply click and drag it in the video preview. The actual image does not move. You are simply choosing a different region of the image to crop. Recenter the cropping region by going to the location controls and double-clicking in the location box. That's the basics of cropping an image. The next step is moving the cropped image into position. This can't be done with the crop effect because it doesn't physically transform the image. This is a job for the picture-in-picture effect, so let's add it to the effects chain. Switch to the Video Effects tab and locate the picture-in-picture effect. Drag the default preset onto the top event. Looking at the effects chain, the crop is applied first, followed by the picture-in-picture. This means the cropped result is being transformed, and you can see that in the video preview. Set the scale back to 1 for the original size. Next, move the media over to the right of the frame. To center the vertical positioning, set the location Y to 0.5. We'll make some more adjustments to the top video layer shortly, but let's reposition the background to refocus the center action. Returning to the Video Effects window, drag the picture-in-picture effect to the background event and set the scale to 1. Move the media over to the left and center the vertical positioning to 0.5. We'll stylize the look further by using the crop effect to make a black border between the layers. Go to the Video Effects tab and locate the crop effect. Drag the default preset onto the background event. This time, the crop occurs after the transformations of the picture-in-picture effect. Drag the right of the crop box until you create a black gap between the layers, similar to making comic book panels. We're almost done with this composite, but the one thing left is to scale the close-up up within the cropped region. Sometimes you get the cropping region perfect, but you want to move the video within the region. Switch to the Video Effects tab, and for the final time, locate the picture-in-picture effect. Drag the default preset onto the top event. Looking at the effects chain of the event, we have the crop effect and 2 picture-in-picture effects. To move the video within the crop, drag the new picture-in-picture before the crop in the effects chain. Next, scale up the video and move it into position. So in summary, the first picture-in-picture effect moves the image within the crop. Next, you have the crop effect performing the crop on the video. And lastly, the second picture-in-picture effect positions the cropped result in the video preview. All these tools you've experienced so far produce fantastic results. But one additional benefit is that all of this can be keyframed. We'll look at animation in the next video. See you soon.